being that she's in a position of power, that she's still constantly in the shadows of every man that's present in the film, be it Crawford, Lecter, and even Buffalo Bill.
Okay, next we're going to do The Fast and the Furious. These movies are about racing and destroying cars and different kinds of cars. We see women being used as objects. The women in these movies are over hyper sexualized. Some women in these movies wear nothing but underwear and t-shirts. The men in these movies only look at women as trophies that they can win in a race. There are some strong female characters in the film, but even they are overly sexualized in the way that they use their body to get the job done. As you can see in this clip, the woman is coming out of the water very slowly. And in this scene, the woman is moving in slow motion. This is over-sexualized because she's only wearing a bikini that is too small and a bikini that's too small.
Now that is a woman that's worth falling out of plane. Get out of there.
So, the Fast and the Furious Culmination series uses the woman's physical body in efforts to sell the viewer alongside the characters within the film. This is similar in terms of like advertisements, such as like depicting the good life, and human images and the portrayal of humans in both film and advertisements alike should follow the social contract theory or follow necessary rules of living. Within entertainment, similar to rules of copyright, we should set rules regarding the portrayal of women in media to be followed.
In the Grand Theft Auto, in this game, you can play as many different characters. All of these people are part of some sort of gang. It is an open-world game that emphasizes on going to strip clubs and destroying the world that is around you. In this game, women are, again, over-sexualized. In this game, the women dress in nothing but bikinis that are too small or underwear that is too small. In the new Grand Theft Auto, there is even a way to be a female character and customize the female character the way you like. As Becker said, moreover, women's bodies have become marketable assets in modern consumer culture, objectified in popular media in order to sell products.
Hey guys, what's up? My name is Dom and welcome back to another Grand Theft Auto 5 video here on this channel.
So this video is the
today's
example
Grand
of
Theft
women
Auto
being
5
able to be
video, I'm
customized
going
to
be
fit your
sharing
liking.
with you guys 5 reasons you should be playing as a female character in GTA Online.